Learn how to capture attention. My job is to wake people up. So there's many things that you can do to provide this information, and you yourself be your own public relations company. You yourself become your own distributor of your message, and not depending on the old school newspaper 1/4 of a page ad, or the television ad, or the radio ad, or none of that stuff. Right now, we are living through the greatest marketing era of all times, in which we are all carrying a device that allows us to communicate to the world and let them know that we got something special for them. So it's an exciting time. So you have to have the attitude that you're going to keep on testing things and improving along the way. Every single day, I work on getting better at what I do. Every single day, I see what can I apply to make my own life better. What can I apply to make my own marketing strategies better? What can I apply to make this campaign better, to increase my brand to the next level? We are living through an era in which the person that has the most information is winning the game. If you know more than your competition and you are more passionate than them, then you win. If you don't, then you don't. As simple as that. So learning and trying out and putting into play and testing the results is the key. My advice is 2 things. Number 1, realize that there's massive potential with the use of this new and powerful up-and-coming ad product, which is Instagram, meaning that they have recently started to get really good at giving us marketers all the data that we need in order to be successful using the platform for advertising. And concurrently, the platform has been exploding in attention, getting more and more users every single day, flooding in and using it consistently. So we have enormous potential in there. So test out doing Instagram marketing by itself, okay? Test it out. And if not, test out using that as an additional placement for your ads, because it is working wonders for generating leads, for building brand awareness, for creating video viewers, for generating amounts of people reached. It's becoming more and more powerful. So test that out. And number 2, guys, put this into play also. You got to work on creating your ideal audience, your ideal person that is going to be actually consuming your content and your message, and start planting your seeds by testing your audiences to see which one is the right one, and then testing your message, testing your creatives. And today we have these opportunities because the Facebook algorithm has been given to us, and now we can use it in our marketing strategies to be able to find out billion-dollar robots, okay, billion-dollar algorithms that we have been given access to find out what is the correct audience, what is the correct creative, what is the best placement, who is the right person that needs to be listening to our message, right? All of those things we have access to. So again, Facebook, Instagram, and Messenger, right now, guys, is really exciting times. So it's time for you guys to flood it and start learning about it and start learning how to use them. And there's a lot to learn. I mean, I can literally sit down with you guys for hours and hours and hours, for weeks and weeks and weeks, for months, and not be done. And not only that, it's never done.